La gente no tenía conciencia antes, ¿no? Todos pensaban que iba a seguir habiendo agua, iba a haber todo el clima iba a estar bien, ¿no? Entonces, hay que concientizar, ¿no? Para eso hay que empezar uno, ¿no? Tenemos que empezar a proteger y así para que vayan copiando a los demás, porque si uno no lo hacemos, el resto no lo va a hacer. Entonces tenemos que concientizar, dar la muestra a nosotros para lo futuro, ¿no?
Of all the elements on Earth, water is the most essential for human beings. We depend on it for our survival, and we need it not only in quantity but also in quality. Both these aspects are being compromised by today's global climate conditions. There is a region in the southeast Bolivia called Valles Cruceños. There, the Zabalketa Association and a Bolivian organization called Instituto de Capacitación del Oriente have worked alongside the local population on a project to identify local vulnerabilities and problems. This investigation has been jointly financed by the Basque Agency for Cooperation for Development. This region in Bolivia is home to around 75,000 people, who live in small communities scattered throughout the valleys, at heights ranging from 2,000 to 3,400 meters, in dwellings that are virtually all without running water and electricity. There are few chances of finding work in the midst of the mountains, so the local people are mostly either farmers or herders. Water is vital to both these activities. High up in the mountains, the main sources of water are streams and rivers, which rise in the micro-basins on the valley slopes. However, due to the improper use of these natural resources and the effects of climate change, these water sources are rapidly deteriorating. Uncontrolled overgrazing means that cattle are drinking from and polluting the water sources people use for drinking water, frequently transmitting infectious gastrointestinal diseases that are especially serious. Cattle eat the short plant cover, and their hooves press down on the top soil, rendering it infertile. The process of burning the undergrowth and cutting down trees to transform forest into croplands exposes the soil, so it erodes more quickly. The earth can no longer absorb rainwater and aquifers finally dry up. Over the course of time, an original ecosystem of moist woodland becomes a barren wasteland that supports only cacti and acacias. Under these conditions, regenerating springs and the plant cycle becomes extremely complicated, unless extraordinary measures are taken to organize and manage the land. Otherwise, the population of Valles Cruceños will be forced to abandon their communities and migrate elsewhere.